day dedicated to manufacturers. One company will be named an Innovator of the Year.
For over 30 years, KrellTech Technologies has been designing advanced polishing and inspection systems for the fiber optics and photonics industries. Their flagship Nova platform combines precision and inline inspection to reduce defects and boost performance, pushing the limits of photonic manufacturing.
Headquartered in East Brunswick, Triad RF Systems builds high-performance RF and microwave amplifiers used worldwide in aerospace, defense, telecom, and unmanned.
And the winner of the 2025 Innovator of the Year award is
KrellTech Technologies. Please come up to accept your